Hi guys, this is SADESIGN and today I'll share with you the way to create glow stack effects in Photoshop. Stay tuned. There I have two text layer and black background. Now we will decorate these texts with glowing effect. First, image mode, change from 8-bit channel to 16-bit channel. Convert SADESIGN layer to smart object and put it into group by clicking and dragging this layer into the group. Add a bit of blur to the SADESIGN layer. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Blur it with radius 0.5 pixels. Next, copy this layer 6 times by pressing Ctrl or Command J repeatedly. The next steps are important. We will change blur radius pixel with the amount I show right here. We already set the first layer to 0.5 pixel. Now, double click to Gaussian blur of layer 1 to open the blur box. Then change to 3 pixels. OK. Double click to Gaussian blur of layer 2 and set the radius pixel to 10. Similarly, we will add the radius pixel of layer 3, 4, 5, and 6 to 25, 75, 250, and 500. Now we see the text beautiful glowing. Then create a black solid adjustment layer. Put it under all SADESIGN layers. Create a new layer to Filter, Render, Clouds. Change blending mode from normal to multiply and adjust the opacity to 50%. Move this layer under SADESIGN Copy to layer. Now, click to the adjustment icon and select Gradient Map. Open the Gradient Editor by clicking to the preset. In here, there are lots of presets for you to select the color that you like. You can also create your own unique preset. To do that, there is a bar from the black to white. Click to the 1/3 of the bar and change the color you want to use. Let's try with blue color. As you can see, the text now is covered with blue glowing color. You can easily change the position of the blue spot to left or right to see the changes. Click to the second third of the bar to create another spot. We'll change to something nearly close to blue color. Take this. The text now perfectly glows. Let me try with some available presets in Photoshop. Green, bubble, orange. I'll go with purple. Create clipping mask to gradient layer by pressing Ctrl Alt G for Windows or Command Option G for Mac. Change blending mode of Group 1 from pass-through to screen. It's done for the first text. Moving on to the second one, which is thank you text layer. First, put it into groups so we can manage easier later on. Right-click to the layer and convert it to smart object. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Set radius 0.5 pixels. We'll do exactly the same step as SADESIGN text. Copy this layer 6 times and change the Gaussian blur pixel to 3, 10, 25, 75, 250, and 500 from layer 2 to 6. Create a solid adjustment layer in black background. Place it right just above background layer. Create a new layer, Filter, Render, Clouds. Change to multiply in blending mode with opacity to 50%. and put it under the thank you copy to layer. Create a gradient map and put it above group 2. Make sure to create a clipping mask to it. Then just choose the preset in gradient map as you see suitable. Now I'll add some minor adjustment to decorate it even nicer. Take the photo of these kind of textures to Photoshop, copy one by one and paste it on our project. The shortcut for selection is Ctrl or Command A and copy is Ctrl or Command C. Paste it on top of layers. Zoom out to see the whole scene. Click to the corner and drag it while hold Shift Alt for resign it from the center. Change blending mode from screen to match with the background color and put it under group 2. Adjust the opacity to around 40%. We'll do the same thing to the other textures photo. Instead of change blending mode to screen, we will change to overlay this time and decrease the opacity. Alright, that's all for this tutorial. Hope that you will like this tutorial. Hit like and subscribe our channel to update the latest tutorials on a daily basis. Feel free to leave comments in case you have any questions. Thank you and bye bye.